Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into YouTube SEO for beginners. I'll show you 3 easy steps to rank your videos higher. If you're a new YouTuber, mastering SEO is essential. It's the key to getting discovered and boosting your channel's growth. I'm going to break down the 3 easiest ways to do YouTube SEO. These methods are so simple, anyone can use them, no matter your experience level. Our first trick is mastering your video title. A strong title is crucial for clicks and tells the search engine what your video is about. Next, let's talk about the description. This is where you can use relevant keywords naturally to help YouTube understand and categorize your content. The third trick is an effective tag strategy. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to increase your video's visibility in search results and suggested videos. Now for some practical tips for quick ranking. Consistency is key, and make sure your title, description, and tags are all aligned with your main keyword. You can apply these simple SEO tricks immediately to all your new uploads and even older videos that need a boost. Effective SEO can instantly boost your views and engagement. Higher ranking means more eyes on your content, leading to more likes, comments, and shares. Let's look at a viral video case study. Understanding successful examples shows you exactly how these SEO elements work together. We'll break down a successful video's title, description, and tags to reveal the formula that made it go viral. Watch until the end to learn the final secrets of proper SEO that top YouTubers use to consistently rank their content. If you're serious about growing your channel, implement these 3 simple SEO steps now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.